plastic spool of some type, added the brake wheel as you can see, and have it hooked up to my Bachmann 70 tonner. It's a beautiful little runner, and I'll pull it forward first, and just you can see the rest of the cars that are in the consist with it. And there's that flat car. Here's my old Varney tank car mounted on another flat car, and a couple of coal cars finishes up the consist. So let me back it all up and we'll run her down the line. There she goes, nice and slow. Comes the Ulrich car.